Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is a 5-minute makeup look and I'll be doing it with just 5 products. It's a very simple makeup look for the people who are always in a hurry or who doesn't want to do much but still want to look put together and presentable. This makeup look is perfect for them. So yes, without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. So I've already prepped my skin. I've applied my moisturizer and a lip balm. So there's this one tip which I want to give you all. Whether you're indoor or outdoor, always apply a sunscreen because it is very important. And if you have dry skin, please apply a good layer of moisturizer so that your makeup can sit nicely. I'm not using any foundation. I'll be using 2 concealers. One is the exact skin tone match and the other one is a bit lighter. So this will be my highlighting concealer. What I'll do is I'll just apply the shade match concealer on the areas where I have dark circle, like around my eyes and a little bit around my mouth area because I have pigmentation there. So now I'll be blending this concealer with my ring finger. I'm not using any brush here because I know most people doesn't own separate brushes for everything. So yes. So I'm done with applying this concealer now. So both of these concealers are from the House of Maybelline. They are the Fit Me concealers. My exact shade match is this concealer number 40 caramel, the shade number 40 caramel, and the highlighting concealer which I use is this 30 honey. Now I'll be applying this concealer, the highlighting shade, just on few areas. So as you can see, I did not touch my face, like I did not touch my cheeks at all because I want to keep it super natural. So now the second step and the second product which I'll be using is a loose powder. So I have dry skin but my T-zone tends to get oily and I sweat a lot during summers. So I need to set my concealer. And it is always a good choice to set your concealer in place. You can either use a loose powder or a compact as per your choice. So I am going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I think it's one of the best and it really sets my concealer in place and gives me that matte look. Just dusting off the excess. Just dabbing it. I'm not touching my cheeks as of now. I'm just applying the loose powder in the places where I've used the concealer. You can see how my skin still looks skin-like and not too much. So now the next thing which I'm going to do is fill my eyebrows. मेरे को कभी भी इसकी importance नहीं पता थी. I never used to do my eyebrows, but now when I do it, I actually know what difference does it make to the entire look and how it can just change your makeup game. It is very important. भले ही आपके eyebrows, I don't have much hairs in my brows, but भले आपके eyebrows light हो, dark हो, doesn't matter, but please do your eyebrows. It will make a difference and I'll show you how. The eyebrow product which I'm using is this one is from L'Oreal. I really like this eyebrow product. It has 2 sides. One is this powder side and the other one is the wax side to set your eyebrows in place. It also comes in with its own brush, which is really convenient and it is travel friendly as well. So I'm done with my brows now, and the next product which I'm going to apply is this mascara. I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. It is their Volume Million Lashes Mascara. So I'm not applying a kajal or a liner in this video, but I'm just going in with the mascara. It will really make my lashes and eyes look bigger. You'll know in a second. I really love this mascara. I also like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is again a very nice mascara. This mascara gives volume to my lashes. You can clearly see the difference. So you can clearly see the difference after applying the mascara, how my lashes are looking and eyes are looking a bit bigger because my eyes are really small. So I really love applying mascaras. And now the last product of this video is this lipstick. I am applying this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and I'll be applying this lipstick as a blush as well. Yes, we are not using a separate blush, but we are just applying a lipstick as a blush. And we'll be blending it with our fingers. So I've used this lipstick on my cheeks as a blush, and I love how it looks on my cheeks. It gives the right amount of color, yet it looks very natural. And yes, I'm really liking this look. So I'll be leaving all the links of the products in the description box below, as well as few of their alternatives. So yes, do check the description box out. With that, we finished this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, bye bye, take care.